Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best multimeters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Smart Multimeter KM601 and lead set KET01. What sets the KM601 apart from most other multimeters listed here is that there are no dials or physical buttons. Instead, you interact with the device primarily via a bright and information-packed display. To make working in dimly lit environments a bit easier, the KM601 has a built-in LED flashlight. The multimeter can automatically detect whether it's measuring AC or DC voltage, resistance, or continuity, which is why it's considered a smart meter. Using this multimeter, you can accurately measure AC-DC voltage, AC-DC current, and 10A current. You can also test continuity, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, diode, temperature, NCV, and live wire. And thanks to its digital voltmeter, you can solve industrial, vehicle, and household electrical problems. This versatile multimeter is Cat3 1000 volts and Cat IV 600 volts rated. It offers both automatic and manual ranging. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hantek Professional Automotive Oscilloscope 2D82AUTO. For vehicle mechanics and enthusiasts, the Hantek 2D82 Auto is a rather expensive but well-designed, high-end, 4-in-1 device that serves as an automotive diagnostic tool, oscilloscope, signal source, and digital multimeter. One of the standout features of the Hantek 2D82 Auto is its full-color LCD screen that clearly displays graphics, text, and numeric readings. The device itself is compact and offers a minimalist onboard keyboard. Using the device as an automotive diagnostics tool, it can perform 80 kinds of tests. It also serves as a reliable, 2-channel oscilloscope, and provides a selection of traditional multimeter features, including AC-DC voltage, AC-DC current, resistance, diode tests, and capacitor tests. If you purchase the Auto 3 bundle, it comes with a case, power adapter, USB Type-C cable, and a collection of probes, test leads, clamps, and clips. There's also an attachable AC/DC current clamp. This is the most versatile multimeter featured in this buyer's guide, but it'll primarily appeal to vehicle mechanics and enthusiasts who perform their own repairs. At number 3, we have the Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. There's a reason Fluke is one of the top names in multimeters and favored by both professional electricians and DIYers who like to tackle their own electrical repairs or installations. Fluke multimeters are highly accurate, reliable, and durable, and the Fluke 117 is no exception. This tool can be used to carry out a wide range of measurements on both AC and DC electrical systems up to 600 volts, which includes appliances, outlets, control panels, and wiring in your home. It's nicely compact, and at 6.57 by 3.31 by 1.81 inches, it fits right in your hand, making it easy to grip during testing. The device has true RMS capabilities, meaning it gives very accurate readings of current in AC systems, which includes the wiring in your home, as well as most appliances that plug into that system. It performs all of the basic multimeter tests, including current, voltage, and resistance, as well as some more advanced measurements, including frequency, continuity, and capacitance. Plus, it has VoltAlert technology, which can detect voltage without actually contacting the wires. It also has auto range, which detects the range of voltage, current being tested, so you don't have to enter those parameters manually. The display is large and backlit, so you'll be able to read it easily even when working in dim areas. It's easy to use and understand, even if you are fairly new to multimeters. One of this multimeter's few downsides is that it does not come with a case. And as befits a product geared towards professionals, it's expensive. But if you need a highly accurate multimeter for use on the job or in complex DIY projects involving electricity, the Fluke 117 is well worth the price. At number 2, we have the Astro AI Multimeter Tester 2000 counts digital multimeter. If you only need a multimeter for basic tests of batteries, electrical outlets, fuses, and household appliances, and you don't want to pay for bells and whistles you won't use, then this amazingly low-priced device is for you. While it does not have auto range capabilities, and the display, although backlit, is somewhat small, this is still a very useful tool for DIYers who want to diagnose electrical issues around their home. The multimeter can measure both AC and DC voltage and resistance. However, note that it can only measure DC current. It also measures continuity and diode function. This multimeter comes with the 9-volt battery that powers it and has a low battery indicator to let you know when it's time for a fresh battery. It has a rubbery outer casing to help ward off damage should you drop it, and a built-in kickstand so you can prop it up for easy reading while taking measurements. It does not include a case, however. And finally at number 1, we have the Inova Automotive Digital Multimeter. You can certainly use this sturdy and accurate multimeter for testing electrical systems, appliances, and components in your home, but where it really shines is in the garage, as it's designed mostly for carrying out diagnostics and tests of automotive electronics. Along with the basic tests of AC/DC voltage, resistance, and current, you can also use this device for measuring continuity, ignition dwell time, engine speed, temperature, frequency, pulse width, and duty cycle. That makes it useful for both professional and amateur mechanics looking to test alternator diodes, ignition switches, batteries, and other electronic car components. It has auto range capabilities, as well. One downside to this multimeter is that it does not have a backlit display, although the numbers are fairly large and easy to read. Still, if using this in a garage, you'll want to have an additional work light. It's designed for rugged use and has protective corner bumpers in case of a fall. The device comes with a temperature probe, clamp, basic probes, a carrying bag, and the 2Ah batteries that power it. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.